Hey guys, just a quick random one for you. These things are trending in Japan at the moment. Apparently they're either made of real keyboard buttons or just cheap copies of keyboard buttons. They sound just like it. So some people just do it just because it's fun or have it as a key ring. Other people do it for stress relief. Apparently helps them relieve stress. Probably helps them relieve stress and probably adds stress to the people who are listening to it, possibly. So variety of configurations, all sorts of different colours and do different things, but basically the same idea. Anyway, have a listen for yourself. Anyway, there's that. We did find them on Amazon, quite common apparently, so there's a link in the comment section underneath. More videos coming soon.